Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to install kdenlive, which is gonna help you to do what? To record your videos. We're gonna use Kali Linux, KD. Okay, once we're gonna use Kali Linux. Go to your terminal and you can type in sudo apt-get, but here I'm gonna say apt-get because I'm sudo already. Then say kdenlive install. I'm sorry, I have to do this the other way around. Okay, then I can come here and say install. Let's see what it's going to tell us. Yeah, I started installing. Let's see. When they ask you, say yes. Like other softwares, you know, you have to accept to do it. Then why? Then you enter. Luckily, we don't have any dependencies which we're missing. You know, some softwares, when you install them, they need some dependencies, so it can hold you back. You have to install them, then you come back, you install this. Like previously, I was installing GIMP, so I had to install some other softwares to allow me to install GIMP on my machine. But for now, here everything is going smooth. I think it's gonna be done in not so long. Then we see. So if you have this software, you're gonna be able to edit your videos, put maybe you create a video with the images, whereby you can put some music, background music in the slideshows. You can also mute the video, the video's audio. Then you leave what you leave only the images, the pictures. Then the images, what you do, you can put also sound, or you can whatever you want to do. You can put music, you can put what they call voiceovers on that if you want to do that. So it depends on what you want, but the tool we're installing, it's almost the best for me, as I know. If we talk about video editing, you get me. Sometimes you can record your video from the phone, then you recorded one part, then another part you recorded it after. So this software can help you to join them, to combine them to be like one video. This is a software I've been using for a couple of months now, but I will do what? I will show you some simple things, but I made some tutorials anyway on how to use it. But all we want to know is we're focusing on how to install it. Yeah, it's installing. Let's wait for it to finish. guys, we need to be patient. Everything's gonna be fine. Guys, it's getting this, gonna finish soon. Getting there, guys, getting there. Be patient. It's gonna work soon. We're gonna be done. Let's be patient, guys. Yes, it's done. You can see it's done 100%. We're fine, guys. So we're gonna have to start our program and see how it works. I'm gonna go search it this side and say okay, yes, we got it this side. Yes, it looks like this is where you're gonna be dropping your files, then you bring them here uh, for editing. So for instance, you have your images and you have your audio. You're gonna drop everything there, then you start editing. So I can bring something like one image there, maybe this image, I put it there, I say continue, then I put another image there and I say continue. Then if I want, I can bring that image and put it here, and also that image I put it here. Then I can start playing. Once I start playing, then I can put also audio. If you want to do audio, you also drop audio here, then you drag and drop it down here. So when you play here, it's gonna just play. So we're gonna be seeing it here into this window. So but if you want to do what, you render, click render. If you want to do what, to compile your video to make it one stuff. Okay, thanks guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe on our channel. You can see also this image, I can put it here and put it here. Also images are like videos. Also videos, you can bring clips and put them here. Audio also do the same thing. Guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If you enjoyed the video, please like or subscribe, and also please share our content. I'll see you in the next video.